Hello boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Real quick tip here. I'm working on finishing up my new dash panel for the race car. And before I took the old one all apart, I went through and I just kind of labeled or drew out a, very intricate, professional looking diagram. I didn't have any crayons, so this is the best I could do. Anyway, you get my point. So here's my relay panel, and I just labeled the things that I wasn't quite sure where they would go if I didn't have labels on them. That way, when I put this all together, I know where everything goes. Here's my fuse block, and I just labeled what went where. And that is saving me a ton of headache and troubleshooting and trying to figure out what wire this is that isn't labeled. Where the hell does it go? So save yourself some headaches and draw a sloppy picture and be ahead of the game.